have here the new Maybelline Advent Calendar, one of the cheapest that I could find from drugstore brands. The price of it is $55 and we have 24 products. About the design, we have a window of an airplane. I don't know, for some reason I don't like the design so much. It doesn't feel very Christmassy to me. And we're also gonna have here a limited edition mascara, a pink mascara. Let's take this out. I hope I don't drop the advent calendar on the floor because I don't have a lot of space here. Whoop. And this is the cityscape. Dun dun dun. Ooh, and we have some tickets here. On the other side, we also have a beautiful pink airplane. For this video, I'm gonna say 7 right guesses. And drop in the comments how many products do you think I'm gonna guess right. So door number 1 is right up here. It sounds like a lipstick. Ta-da! Oops! And this one is a colossal mascara. I have tried it again. It is one of the cult favorite products by Maybelline. I'm very happy that it is a full size and we have it in every advent calendar. Let's go to door number 2. What can it be? Ooh, it's heavy. Nail polish. Yes! We always have nail polishes. It is definitely... Ooh, I found it! Our first right guess. And this one is the Superstay Forever Strong 7 Days Gel Nail Color 77 Pearly White. And we have this every year again. I hope we have something different in this advent calendar. Door number 3 is right here. And it is very lightweight. I'm gonna say a lip pencil. But there is a chance it is an eye pencil. Ooh, it is an eyeliner. I was so close. And this one is a hyper precise all day liquid liner. And it says in matte black. I'm super curious about the tip. Okay, it smells like an eyeliner. I don't know why I'm sniffing this. Another full size. I'm so surprised. Happily. Moving on to door number 4. Oh. This doesn't move. Maybe we have a box inside the box. Inception. Oh, I didn't say. Liquid lipstick. I have no clue. Seriously. I don't know. Oh, it's a primer. I would have never guessed it. This is the Fit Me Luminous and Smooth Hydrating Primer with SPF 20 for normal to dry skin, so I can use it. I have super dry skin. Let's go to door number 5. Oh, the sound is very scratchy. Like a scary movie. I'm guessing this is gonna be something to remove makeup. Maybe a glove to scrub your face. Yeah, nothing like that. Nothing. Oh boy. It says it is an eyeshadow brush and I think you cannot really buy brushes by Maybelline. I have only found some in advent calendars over the years. Come on. It looks very nice. Ooh, it has a lot of dust. Remember to wash your new brushes before using them. Yeah, this needs to be washed. Let's continue with door number 6. This is not very heavy and... what can it be? Maybe a lipstick? I found it! And this is the Superstay Ink Crayon in the shade 15, Lead the Way. I really like these crayons. They are very smooth on the lips. Oh no, something happened to door number 7. Subscribe! If you haven't already, subscribe to find my videos easier. Okay, so door number 7. Sounds like a pencil. I'm gonna say a lip pencil. We just had the lipstick. It makes sense. Okay, it is a pencil. I was very close. And this one is the Tattoo Liner Automatic Gel Pencil in the shade 20 Grey. I have tried some other shades of this one. I don't remember that they had a little sponge. Maybe this is a new packaging. Door number 8. This is heavier. I think it's gonna be a nail polish. Maybe a base coat, a top coat. Definitely a nail product. I'm right. Fireworks everywhere. So this one is the Fast Gel Nail Lacquer, and we have it in the shade Bit of Blush. It is such a pretty shade for winter or for every season basically. Door number 9. This sounds like a pencil. I'm gonna say a lip pencil again, and it is... I'm right! Ta-da! Lip pencil! This is the color Sensational Shaping Lip Liner in the shade Dusty Rose, and it goes very well with the lipstick that we got. That's a very nice touch. Let's go now to door number 10. Ooh! It's a big one. Do they have skincare? I don't think this is an eyeshadow palette. It's very heavy. Okay, I'm gonna say foundation because I don't know. Oh my god. I love this product. So this is the soft makeup remover, and I'm using it for many years for my eye makeup. They don't have skincare, right? I will definitely use it. Let's find door number 11. It is like a lip pencil. I'm gonna say an eye pencil this time. Oh, we had an eye pencil. It is another eye pencil. Right, I'm right. And this is the Tattoo Liner Gel Pencil in the shade 911 Smooth Walnut. This is gonna be great for a brown smoky eye look. Door number 12 is also a big one, but it's not as heavy as door number 10. This really sounds like that scrubbing glove that I was talking about before. I'm gonna say scrubbing glove. It sounds impossible. Oh, it is wrapped. And we have an eyelash curler. It is super pretty. That was deceiving. After that, door number 13, the shaking method. Lipstick. We didn't have regular lipsticks that they have, the bullet lipsticks. Let's see. Ooh. Okay, it is a concealer. And this one is the Fit Me Concealer in the shade 15. It is really weird that we have a concealer. Not everyone can use it. You can maybe give it to someone, but when you buy an advent calendar, you want to use the products, right? I don't like that we have a complexion product. 14 is right up here. What can it be? Maybe a sharpener? It's very lightweight. I don't know. Let's see. So this one is the Express Brow Fast Sculpt Mascara in the shade 4 Medium Brown. I'm hoping this can work for my brows. I think it's my color. I can use it. But again, not everyone can use it. Door 15 now. Oh, nail polish. Definitely. Or a top coat. Dun dun dun. This one is the Express Manicure 3-in-1 Strength, Wear and Shine. It has some purple glitter that I actually like.
What are you, 16?
It is right up here. I think it's gonna be a pencil again. Maybe a brow pencil since we have a brow gel. Nope. Oh, it goes so well with my eye makeup today. And this is the Tattoo Liner Automatic Gel Pencil in the shade 70 Sleepless Sapphire. I really love the color. Door 17, come here. We definitely have wrapping paper. Oh, maybe it is a nail file. I can't believe this. Right. I don't think you can actually buy this. I actually needed a new nail file. Door 18. And I have actually guessed right 7 products so far. Maybe I can reach 12. Let's see. About this one, maybe we have a nail product again, a nail polish. Yeah, it's not. The only time that I didn't say a lipstick. And this is a creamy lipstick in the shade 207 Pink Fling. I love this color. It can also go very well with the lip pencil that we have. Oh, it smells so good. It's the Tsureki scent. It is this sweet bread that we're making every Christmas in my country. Let's find door number 19. It is so lightweight. Maybe it is a brow pencil. Dun dun done. I was very close. It is a pencil. And this one is the Liner Refine Expression Kajal Soft Kohl Liner in the shade 33 Black. And we're getting this eye pencil every year in the Maybelline Advent Calendars. This is the 4th eye pencil. Here we have door number 20. I think it's gonna be another ink crayon lipstick. Let's see. It's not. I forgot that they have blushes and, face products. So this one is the Cheek Heat Sheer Gel Cream Blush in the shade 20 Rose Flash. And I think this is the 3rd time that we have it in an advent calendar by Maybelline. I don't know where is the door 21. Here it is. Oh, it is definitely a nail polish. It is the size of the box, the weight, the shaking sound. And this one is the Superstay Forever Strong 7 Days Gel Nail Color in the shade 501 Cherry Sing. Very nice color to have in your collection. Then we have door 22. What can it be? It's so lightweight. Tweezers. I'm gonna say tweezers. It's not. Not even close. And we have here a spoolie brush. I like it. Let's go to door 23. Maybe a mini mascara again, because it sounds like a mini product. It's not. It is the color Sensational Lip Liner in the shade 132 Sweet Pink. A lot of pink products. I would like some more variety. Let's continue with door 24. I think this is gonna be a full-size mascara. Dun dun dun. Oh yeah! I forgot! The pink mascara from the packaging. And this is the Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara in the shade Pink Air. Okay, we need to see that. Oh my goodness.
I'm curious.
How is this gonna look on me? I had 8 right guesses in this video. I really like that all of the products are full sizes and the overall value is $187. And I'm gonna give it 4.5 stars. The design is not so festive and also we have a lot of eye pencils, nail polishes. Drop in the comments which product is your favorite. Mine is the pink mascara. And make sure to watch this video as well